No, online team. Let's today we start the practical, and I want everyone to just on your laptop, and then we start. The reason why I told you to do the practical today because just one moment. Let me open all the slides, and we start today's session. And I think yesterday we had just introductions of GenAI, GANs, and transformers. And I just discuss about clip architectures, what is generator, discriminator, and those things I covered. Those are the theory part, why GenAI. But let's go and we try to work some of the practicals today. And I want, let's wait. I'll start in a couple of minutes. Just wait. So in the meantime, let's open your laptop, guys. And offline team check, are you fine with your internet? If not, I will arrange a Wi-Fi connections to the students. Very less people are here, and we can change it later as well. Just one moment. Can you check this? First, you log into your Wi-Fi, I mean hotspot. Okay. Um, the reason why online team, can you listen me? Okay. So the reason why I'm trying to do today's workshop is when I give this work to you, you will get a lot of issues you never solve in the Google Colab as well. So even though I give you this practical, you cannot complete that. And this is one of the important practical and you can mentions in the resume. So I want you to understand and work with the code. I will post everything's in the chat window. If you not copy, that's fine. I will share in the Google Classrooms immediately so you can understand those things as well. Are you clear, guys? Okay, so one moment. I will create. Let's open this one. Yes. Shall we do online, guys? Shall we do everyone? I need response, then we'll start. If not, then leave it. Except Harika Mazid, nobody interested. Try. Okay. All right, guys. Good, Manoj. Manoj, I'm sorry. I will call you this week. Definitely will speak at any cost. Okay. Let's start. First, let's work with. I want everyone to open your Colab account and just connect to the GPU. What is the first step? I will mention each and everything. Um, go home, go. Let me open my account as well. Go to Drive and Gen AI practicals. Just give me some time. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will Drive. So you create a new empty collab. Okay. Empty collab. Go to runtime and change runtime type to GPU. And let's mount your drive. My drive is mounted here. Let's refresh. I think no. Let's click. First, I'll execute this one. Okay. Online team, anybody joined? So what we do, guys, today, why the reason why I told you to do workshops, because even though I will share this code to you, 99% people, you cannot complete this. So that's what when I share in the classrooms, we can work together and let's see and let me know any issues you got. Clear? And this is what your resume project's number one in GenAI. Okay. And one moment, you can open your laptop and connect to the GPU. I think I connected. That's good. And go to runtime. Okay, we will try now. Let's run time and edit, clear all outputs, run time, restart session. Yes, we do this. And I'll open the class notes so that I can post the code immediately, because this is one way where you can do this here. So work along with me, guys. The first one. Okay, guys. On offline team, let me know if you find with internet, or I will inform to the team to give the Wi-Fi password and all those things. Are you clear? So did you connect to your drive, everyone? Okay, next. Let me check. Okay. First, you try NVIDIA SMI. You check this NVIDIA SMI. Once you check, make sure your 15 GB is going to be 0. That means there's a no space is created here. Understand? You can try this as well. Quick. So how do I share? I think it's better I can do one thing. I can share this collab notebook to you. You can work them. Okay, I'll post. That's better way. Yes, that's right. I think one moment. I go back to NIT and evening batch, 7:30 p.m. May month. Right click and WinRAR, add to this. So the reason being, the student whoever work these projects, 90% they will fail. I mean, it's not going to open. It's not going to be successful complete. Because of that, most of them didn't implement in your resume. This is a absolutely resume projects. Please work on it. So I think let me open it again, and MLS collab. We have collab code. Okay, we'll share it now. Just go to the drive, bookmark, and 7:30 p.m. Good, Neha. Okay. Team work on browse. Okay, I posted. You want Wi-Fi, guys? One second. No, not for online, guys. To whom I posted, man? Okay. Okay, guys, I post the code. Please download. Uh, Everyone offline team as well. Let me wait. I'll arrange Wi-Fi password for you. Then we change it later. Done, everyone? So first, you check NVIDIA SMI. Okay, so let me open this one, and I think call up PDF as well. Okay, see, that's fine. So everything I mentioned here. So the first, try to work, because this is, you know how to create a functions and all those things. You don't go to work this one, PDB and all the part, leave them. So the next code, what you do is you start practice from this one. I shared this document, right? You copy the clone and clone this OpenAI. Yesterday I was talk about this one. Okay, the git clone clip.get. One moment. Okay, second. Guys, 2 minutes online. Chipper Pawan. So guys, are you get this one in IT2? There's IT2. Next change issue, okay now? Is it correct now? Chudu? Can you connect to this guys? Okay, check. Check this guys. Can you log into the Wi-Fi on offline team? The online team you can try. So once you okay, let me wait for some time quick and then we complete. Done guys? The one who didn't bring, please check the neighbors as well. Connected? Okay, everyone? Okay, now let's go to the code. So just go to the collab and you don't do this. You can write a functions as well. I mean, you want to see how to debugging code in GPU. You know the debugging as well. So don't do all those things. First, you download clip architecture. So what I'm going to do, I just execute this one. Okay. So what happened? Clip architectures. Anyone? You try to do this the moment when you download, I think, wait for some time. Let's refresh. Cloning to the clip. Do you see you get a clip models you can find in your left side? Did you get this? You didn't bring Adi? Okay, you sit with Sai. Online team, are you working? Okay, no response. Got it. Very good, Disha. Now, Disha, go to the next one. Okay, so what we done right now? We just clone this GitHub file, which I explained yesterday, because in this GitHub contains multiple transformers, and we clone all the GitHub from these codes from here to our collab. All right, and this thing is not possible in our local CPU environment. So that's why we done. Understood, guys. Next one. Okay, next part. Says taking time to download. It will take based on your internet. Okay, once you're done, I want to install these libraries. Pip install node dependency ftfy regex tqdm. Pip install omega conf 2.0.0 PyTorch lightning, and pip install torch exist if you have existing torch install, and EINOPS. So then there's a questions, what exactly all those things to understand each and everything's. So what I create a practical notes here. And if you open this, let's read them up and I try to detailed explain. So what is this pip install no dependencies, guys? This means what we do here, this command install the specified packages ftfy regex tqdm installing without the dependencies. So if you install in the CPU, it required some dependency. So as we're working in no dependency, please write down no dependency, then only it will work. So the next questions, what is mean by pip install ftfy regex? If you want to install the package along with the dependencies, you have to pip install ftfy. So these are the libraries which we want to install to work with these things. Next one, I explain each and every line what exactly doing here. So this command uninstall torch ext, yes. This command uninstall existing package, and when you say yes, it flag automatic confirmations of uninstall without prompting the user confirmations, without a user type yes for uninstall, yes for install, to not work. So that's why we use this library. Are you guys understand? So we have this next library, pip install EINOPS. This command install EINOPS library, which is commonly used in machine learning, deep learning workflow for reshaping and manipulating tensors. So PyTorch, we have a tensors. Once the installation is complete, you can import and use in your Python scripts or Jupyter notebook. So this is all the packages or libraries you have to install in the collab. And pip install input pill, NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, just go here. And what I'm going to do, I'm installing all these libraries for the projects, because some of the codes, I already written here to make understand. Even though we can't, you have some time, you can work together. And then let's do this, guys. So do you see we collecting all the files, and it's take installations done, guys. Clear? Everyone. Very good practical, trust me. Okay, you see there's a lot of, I will tell you the real-time applications, how Midjourney is happened using this. Wait. It takes some time, definitely. I think everyone use one what Wi-Fi password. Okay, wait. Are you installing, guys? Everyone, are you done this two part? Let me know which one we done. So pip install, these are the dependencies. And once we complete the practical in the class, go home and short it down, make a complete notes for it, complete documentations, and get ready for your resume. Are you clear, guys? 7:30 p.m. batch. Okay. Yes, sir. Installing libraries. Very good. So these libraries, what exactly done? I gave the clear explanations for this one. All right. Okay. Now, okay, still it takes more time. Guys, I forgot to install this one as taming transformers. One moment. I will do it again. First git clone, and after that, taming transformer. This is VQGAN. And one moment, this is already done here. And click this taming transformer architecture. So this architectures, I am, clone from this GitHub file. Transformers, all right, autoencoders. We clone this GitHub file now. So what is the first thing? The first thing, you work with clip architectures cloned. Next, you clone taming transformer. So that's what VAE, variationals autoencoder, we doing this now. First clip architectures done, then taming transformer architectures. Okay, yeah, done. Yes, Hassan, any question? Okay, good. Now let's refresh. What happened? What's going on? I know it will take. In collab also. No, you check. Acha, the file which I sent you. Everyone same issue? You download the code file or not? I shared the code file. Guys, I shared the code file in your class notes. Please download that. No, sir, no issues. No, just not for online team. Okay. Is the file you shared in very big? Is very big? No. PDF file, right? So yes, Akila, PDF file. You can see the file code, which is dot collab extensions. You got this one. Generative AI, this file. Generative AI Jupyter. Try this. I think they have issues on your system. Okay, next one. All right, guys. Do you see the first thing what we done? First, we first check this. This is taming transformers. What is taming transformers? For high resolutions image synthesis. Understand these all downloading packages. Very good. Here, what is this? These we clone this GitHub to your collab, guys. Okay, we clone two GitHub. One is clip architectures we done, and second one is taming transformer. This one we done. So two, these are the GANs, VQ GAN. So variationals auto encoder. So this is auto encoder. The first one is clip multi-model. We done two things, and we clone to the Google Colab. Next one. Once we done, I think we already installed this library. I'll do it again. So to have a cross verifications. Okay, good. Requirement already satisfied. Now just wait for some time. And you know this import pill, numpy, pandas, matplotlib. Okay. Skipping torch text. Okay. Uh, skipping torches. It is not installed. That's fine. So this part we done. And one moment, runtime and uh, file. Restart the session. Just one moment. I'll do it because I know if any small things happen, it will create a problem. I'll do it again. Let's restart it again. Just one moment. Okay, after that you can wait. Done this one more time. Done this. Done this. Okay, can you import all the necessary libraries, Pill and NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib? Two things done. Okay, guys. Yeah. So import PyTorch library from PyTorch, from Torch, import Torch OS, image IO, PDB, and math. So PDB. So I hope import PDB. What is PDB, guys? When you let's so what exactly we do? Let's work on multi-model deep learning architectures called CLIP. What is CLIP? Multi-model. What is multi-model? What is multi-model? When you work with text, image, video is called multi-model. All right, guys. What is text-based model? Text to text is called text model. Understand? So two things we call. So let's work with multi-models as we combine with generative models with transformer type architectures done. This one way clear. Go scroll down now. And once you're done, see what is this torch vision? Torch vision dot transforms dot t, torch vision dot transform functions is tf. But here, image IO PDB math. Let's go to the Excel sheets. Also simultaneously open Excel sheets, which I shared you. Can you check everyone? There's a two files I want to open. Google Colab one and Excel, I mean the PDF, the Excel sheets which I shared you. Another one is the code file. The three things. If you see this one, what is torch? I hope understand this is library for deep learning library, OS operating system, image IO. The image IO library used to read and writing images in various format. PDB. What is PDB? The PDB module is Python debugger. It allows you to interactive debug your Python code, set breakpoints, and inspect variables during program math, you know. And after that, YAML, import YAML because YAML library is commonly used for working with YAML. It means ain't markup language files in Python. So this is human readable data serializations format and for configurations data exchange between languages with different data structures. So these are the file which we import right now. Just go ahead and execute this one. Okay. Now, so if you see this next code, done guys, this one. Okay. Offline team, how many here up to this? You done, Akila? Anyone else? You? Ainda? Everybody offline, guys? Next. Okay. Online team, it's okay. Good. Now, next one, import YAML from Omega Conf, import Omega Conf. So go to this one. So what is meant by Omega Conf? So here, just one moment. So these are the file we, that means we downloading a configurations file here, guys. We download a configurations file here. Okay. Just one moment. So next one, so these are the libraries we imported up to this clear, completed all download. Very good. Now, simple. Now let's see the code. We download YAML file, import YAML from Omega configurations, import Omega conf. So just check this one. This is what regenerate. Just one moment to have better understanding, and then we understand this one, guys. Omega conf. Is it? Wait, let's refresh. And I type as Omega conf. is a configure. I told you this is a configurations management designed to manage and use configurations file like hierarchical configurations, merging, structural config. There's a plenty of things. So please, what you do, these are the packages we need to install. Just go to the code and you install Omega Conf from Clip. What is Clip? Multi-model architectures. From multi-model architectures, I import Clip. And if you see, you get more informations over here and but not utilizing. Just go to this one. And am I using GPU runtime? One moment. Okay, safe. That's fine. So here, let's execute. I'm an import warning. Everyone know. That's it. Now I want to create a helper functions. Okay, but before that, 1 second. Okay. Now have a look at this. I mentioned in-depth understanding of the code when you apply in the resume you have to explain. The first one, why we create a helper functions in many generative AI codes, guys. We create helper functions because let's create some helper functions which helpful us to show image from tensor, you know, 0D tensor, 1D tensor in NumPy and tensor both act like same. So then clone the tensor, we take the data multiply by 255 because pixel range is 0 to 255. Do you see NumPy? We just done this, all those things or not? I mean, how to change the array to, I mean, 1 to 255, all those things. So here, next one. So the moment I'll go to this part, define, I create a helper functions, tensor. We clone the tensor and we multiply the tensor to 255 and we transpose 1 comma 2 comma o. What is 1 comma 2 comma o? So transpose 1 comma 2 comma, it refers to specific permutations of the x3D array of tensors. This operation is performed for any array manipulations for deep learning framework, NumPy and PyTorch. So that's why we use transpose. I hope you know what is transpose. It convert rows to columns, columns to rows, isn't it? So those things done by transpose here. So very simple. And then plot figures. And you created two define functions, and then define and normalize. And you said range between 0 and 1 in the result. So this part we done. And now norm data. So just go to the code here and that's it, I hope. And if you see the code and rest of them understand what is learning rate, you know what is batch size, we know WD, what is meant by weighted decay. So there's a two things I want to mentions here. And data dot clip. So do you see data dot clip here? What exactly mean by this? I mention each and everything. The moment when you mention the clip method, which is multi-model, used to limit the value of the array and within the specified range and restricted between -1 and 1. So if any value of original pass is less than -1, it's set to -1. If it is greater than 1, then it's set to. So value within the range is -1 and remain unchanged. So that's what we do, -1. What is +2? After apply the clip operations, it added to the 2. This means that is 2 is added to each element of the clipped array. Next one, what is WD? The WD means weighted decay. What is mean by that? Do you know the regularizations? When training neural networks, weighted decay is a regularization technique. We have few techniques, lasso, ridge, all those things. And it used applied to prevent overfitting while in the neural network in a model by penalizing large weights. Guys, how many of them understand what I'm speaking right now? You guys clear? What I'm saying, when you apply the regularizations, I mean, when overfitting happens, so you need to apply weighted decay is 0.1. Good, Majid. And weighted decay, so that's why you have to mention these parameters over the code, weighted decay and noise factor 22 and total iterations 400, image shapes 450, 450. You take based on that and size 1, size 2 channels and each and every line items I mentions to do this, guys. So let's go back, and this is a very simple code. There's nothing worry, and you just need to little execute this one. We create a helper functions here. Okay, done. Everybody done, guys? This helper functions? Good. Next, team up to this. What is the parameters we define? Learning rate, batch size, weighted decay, noise factors, and we do mention the iterations. We define the functions here. That's it. Next one, clip model. Now we need to load the model. Clip model underscore clip dot load VIT JIT false. Check this. Whether are you able to and then eval. Now let's see clip model. It will convert what is clip model here. This code clip model, it will convert text to image text matching, zero shot classifications, and underscore it return the clip dot load functions, guys. Understand? So the moment when you say clip dot load, we clone the clip file from the cloning, I mean from the git link or not. And then internally we load this VITB32. So this is what. So this argument VITB32, the specific variant of the clip model to load VITB JIT false means just in time compilations should not be used. JIT compilation is a technique that can improve execution speed to the model. It seems to be turned off, even though. Now, what is eval? I mean, evolutions, the clip model set to evolute mode, and it contains layer dropout, batch normalizations. This layer will work evolutions mode. What is normalizations? Is a feature scaling or not? We normalize. And what is then dropout? We apply dropout when overfitting comes up. This is a dropout. Offline team. Just when you say work, don't work, please work and focus what I'm saying. And trust me, when you also work, you can't do. Because your line number that are currently explained. Ananya, which one? This one, this clip model, very simple. There's a two things I define here. So clip model and underscore. So clip load, I give this one. Can you please open this PDF sheets, Ananya, this one, practical, this PDF sheets and read this one, clip.load, JIT, just in time, clip model eval. After calling evolutions, the clip model set to evolutions mode. Okay, so go here and we execute this one. And here, check this, the model is loading. And where the model is loading, okay, not the PDF cell, line number in the collab. This one, this one. Yeah, just now I explained. So what we done here, we define two argument, I mean, variable here, clip model and underscore. So the underscore return the clip load functions. Clip load functions, this functions, it's part of clip. It's a pre-trained clip models. We save it. JIT means just in time. Compilation should not be used. If you used, sometimes it seems to be turned off, whether turned off and turned on. So you every time you mentioned JIT equals to false. When you say true, it's on. Now eval means we create a variable to save this model. Understand this one? And then device torch.cuda0 and torch empty cache. So do you see this, guys? I'll tell you. The moment when you load internally, do you know ResNet 50, ResNet 101, RNX 50X4, RN 50X64, WIT B32? This is what we downloaded. WIT L14. See, guys, I know if you're not able to understand, that's the reason I shared my students to read these documents not once, three times, because that's going to be implemented in your resume. Are we clear? 7:30 p.m. batch. Ananya, I hope you do it again after this as well. All right, thank you. Next. So did you see this? What happened? Here, clip model, visual input resolutions 224. Are you able to download these pre-trained weights? Are you able to download this pre-trained weights? Check. Are you get this one? Everyone? Good. Online team. Yes, completed. Very good, guys. See, we done a fantastic. You loved it. Trust me at the end of the day. Next one. Taming transformer instantiations. Go to the word. Listen to me. Set up taming transformer. See this, guys. So why we send taming? CD taming transformer. Again, we cloned GitHub file or not? Taming transform also we cloned from the GitHub. Now, did you see CD? When do we write CD? In command prompt, we make CD, MK directory, all those things or not? So in here, I'm saying CD Taming transformers. That means changing the working directory to the Taming transformers directory. Internally, we convert the Google Colab to the Taming transformers directory. Clear? Hello, guys. You four top pros. Are you here? Next one. Taming transformers directories. Done, guys, everyone? Good. Next one. So we indicate to the taming transform directory. Next one. Mac MK directory, the next one. So here, MK directory, P models, VQGAN, ImageNet, F16, all right, and checkpoints and config. Do you see the two? We make a directory where we're pointing out to the timing transformer. You guys, CD, we went to the timing transform directory, and then we created directories and we check points whether, did you see? This is the path where the directory structured will be created. It includes nest directions. So that means when you say, I'll give you more concepts again, models. This is the main directory models, VQGAN, ImageNet. So this is the subdirectory with the models, checkpoints. This is another subdirectories with VQGAN, ImageNet of this one. Pretty fantastic. Clear? Next one. Configs. This is another subdirectory within VQGAN with ImageNet F16 with these many layers. Do you know VGG 16, VGG 50, VGG? Are you done or not? What is meant by that 50 layers? So internally, we try to set up our, the moment when you VQGAN, these many pre-trained weights we installed here. The hyphen P, what is meant by this? P flags that all these directories are created even if models VQGAN do not exist yet. Do not exist yet. Understand? So all those things we done, even though we do not exist yet, we understand this one. Are you clear, guys? Online team, did you see very crystal explanations here? Make directory, all those things now. So I want to go back to this one. This part is done. If length OS models VQGAN ImageNet, now we create a directory internally or not equal to 0, then wget. Can you tell me which projects? I'll explain wget. What is meant by wget? Which projects explain this one? Wget. Website, which one? Multi-fruit class classifications. We get the fruits from wget or not? Make list of files from the library. So that's what. This is the shell command to use to download files from the internet. Next one, HTTP files, right? To retrieve files. That's good. So this one, what we do, checkpoints, we check 0, and we just get the files from this file locations. This is nothing but some of the paper, guys. This is a research paper written, and let's try. Am I get this one? Control V. Okay, I think I download. Wait. Okay, last checkpoint. Did you see? It's check 20 minutes to download. How many file? 935 MB. I close it. I don't want to do it now. Clear? So the moment when you check all these checkpoints, you get, some of the papers, you download all the file script. Now go ahead and execute this one, guys. So this is what, let me know, it will take some time for installations and 8%. Okay. Because as you know, when we download some data from get, it will take some time. So we just wait 20%. Let's do this. And are you guys done? Online team, are you doing this one? This part? So what we do, at least when we practice with me, at least you understood 20 to 30%. That's good. Now, when you do next time, you get 20 to 30%. When you do third time, now same code you see multiple times because this is what your practicals, guys. And this is what you need to mention. I know you, okay, no such file directory. Guys, how many of them getting error for this one? 1 second. The best way. Online team, anybody got this error for this one? Let's copy and no error for this. Still executing, Kiran. Majid, try properly, even though the small the letter or words, because we download from Heidelberg. I mean, these are all those things. No errors. Good. And let me post the code here again. Try this. Majid, try this. Post for the sections of code. Good. We get this now successfully. Good, guys. We call this live perform. Is it done? Okay, how much? Do you see, guys? When you read this file on this date, read this Taming transformers from this websites. You can after later, not right now. You check this link, and everyone after this one, you deploy this code on your LinkedIn and GitHub. All right, it's better, and you mentions these things on your resume. If you mentions in the profile, please do not post anywhere. If you don't want to mention, please post. And everyone will explain all these LangChain, Gen all those are basic, call API key print. But this thing is very important. This is what companies want from you, because there is no API key required for this. We write a code and we extract all these APIs. Now there's an issue, Majid, you do it later. So why are you doing in front of me? Because when you do yourself, you get a lot of issues, and most of them face the same things. That's what today I decided to have this one and you two guys. So you check this link, YAML file. I want you to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because when you prepare this regime, because this type of projects, when you build, your salary will be growth. Remember this one. And now scroll down. Okay. Have you set up this one? Next. I created 3 functions now. Define load config, load VQGAN, define generator. What is GANs? GANs, what is the first? We generate. All right. We apply generator. And then, can you paste this code? This one, Akila. Okay. No, I'm talking this one or above one. This one, I already posted. This. Okay, wait. For this one, what we do, let's discuss this one. This section is showing error. Which one, dear? Okay, wait, calm down. I know these sections will give you error. Just follow me. Just let me get the error. Then I'll tell you, and you do along with me and solve it, everyone. And okay, you got this error, guys. What is error? No module name torch.6. Everybody got this error? Oh, in PDF, the code is cut. I'm sorry. Just copy and okay, I'll go to the file. Good. Thank you. I'll post here. Post. Guys, do one thing, copy and paste the code here and let me know once you got everyone error. Let me know, everyone, please. I'm waiting for that. So here, what we do in this code, little scroll down. Sir, got error. Very good. So it's nothing. We proceed the Taming transformer VQGAN architectures. So one moment. Got error. Everyone got error, guys? Everyone? Okay. Do one thing. Here, 1 second. Did you see you click utils.py, the second 2 frames? You get this one? And you delete 10, 11, 12, 13 number line. 10, 11, 12, 13 number deleted. Just let me cross check again. Yeah. 10, 11, 12, 13. And then close and run again. Everyone. It's fixed now. Check. So what is this? We load VQGAN models here, guys, and we define a generator functions. And because whatever images we load, and so all the codes you get it from fixed. Excellent. Anyone else? Go to fix. Anybody else? Online to offline team done? Why? See this one. I post the code here. Good, guys. Can you please, I think in the PDF, the code is cut. So now I want you to post the code here. Please, can you copy and paste it in your code now? This one, fixed, very good. Fixed now, fantastic. Offline team, done or not? Guys, response, man, are you there or not? What? Not done? Where are you? What are you doing, man? Sir, what is the line STO delete? Which one? See, first let me solve. Then we talk about where do you find this, Akila? No, first you complete what lines to remove. 10, 11, 12. Okay, I think, okay, don't listen to me. The moment when you execute this code, you got this line. And you can say dot py, 2.py you will get. In the frame, second frame dot py you got. And you click this, you get another py file here. Are you guys done? Done. Okay. What about you guys, everyone? Connect hotspot, no? Connect this one as well. Okay. Done online team. I know many of them done. Akila, did you remove these lines? Give me the line number. Okay, Leela, trying to. Come on, you not very simple. You not try to understand the code. Just try to see, are you get the proper GANs output or not? Then we discuss the code. I will share all these things to you. Done. Very good. Leela, anyone post the error in the classroom? I can anyone post the error, guys? Yes, sir, it's working now. Very good, Ananya. Anyone, guys, the error which you got, and you show me the error, then I will show to the other students as well. Okay. Leela, can you take a screenshots of that? Okay, very good. See, thank you, Leela. So, guys, this is what error you get. You error module not found error, no module name dot 6, right? In this above, you get one link, right? You click the link. Thank you. So once you click the link, what happened? You get one file like this. Now from the file, you remove the 4 lines. Yeah, that's what Akila, that's what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say again, I'll tell you again. From the moment when you click, see just now, you see my screen. Just now, Leela sent me one file. You got this error, right? This same error you got, right, guys? You above, you get a one file. Click the file utils.py. Once you click the file, there is a separate py file will open. Once you get a separate py file, from the py file, 10, 11, 12, 13, remove and close. That's it. Don't save. Just delete and close. That's it. Clear? Okay, good. And save the file, guys. Please save the file because all the code will delete it again. Please save it. Clear, done? Online team. Next one. Once you do, declare the value that we are going to optimize. Again, I'm copy and share the code in the drive. Now let's try them out. Post. So here, what we do in this code, okay, just one moment. Remove the line. Now execute one more time. Come on, got this up to remove the line. So that means you're not working properly. I'm sorry, because I cannot explain for you this. Do one thing. You take, I hope you have recording. You can watch it and run again. Many of them got very simple. Try this, it will work. Okay. Yeah, no worries. So very simple. You install, you close, don't save. Do one thing, do or run it again from the beginning. and you got the file, you click the py file and check this, it will work. Okay. Yep. Don't worry, don't worry, it will happen. See, things is not easy the way we think in other programs, guys. This is little, these are the GANs, that's why it's take a little hard time to, that's what many people, even though I shared the code, you don't get error. I mean, you don't solve it. That's why I try to create these workshops, and even though it doesn't matter how much time, I will post to you. Let's complete them today and go home, or else till the time, no. So what we done here, just go to my collab now. In this collab, declare the value. Once you get, do you see there's a VQ GAN models we build here, and models inbuilt base learning rate params, everything is, we know this one. Now here, declare the value that are going to optimize. You know how to optimize and what are the optimization techniques, we know this, right? Create the class to declare the values that are going to optimize. In this code, we're going to create a class with parameter torch with module, and we make this parameter to superclass. Do you know OOPS concepts inheritance? Superclass, and we're going to initialize with random values. Using the class will produce the tensors of random values. That means, just go here. Did you see I create a class parameters, all right? And this is special method or not? Now class method we implement here. So again, and see, in itself, super, you know what is mean by super? What is meant by super? Main. Super class means if you want to make the class as a super class, you have to pass super keyword, super class, super method, all right? We know this one, and we pass init here. So 5 into torch rand 16. I mean, we try to make all these concepts to parameters torch self.data. So this is now what you have. You know how many optimizers? CUDA, optimize Adam parameters. You know this, guys. Learning rate and weighted decay. We already assigned before. Now you go back to this one. Okay, we're done. So encoding prompts. Now we create a prompts. This code would give you a prompts. Just one moment. Let's get back to create a few functions too. Write a functions for using clip architectures to encoding text prompt. How to create a text prompt. In the prior code, we encode, we define a generator. All right. Now to prompt normalize, torch vision, transforms, normalize, these are the numbers. I'll tell you what exactly these numbers. TORCH version 0.48, 0.45. So this is, look at this. Now in this code, what exactly this will does? So it will, this is a transformations from the torch vision library that normalize an input image. So whatever image we load, it will normalize. The image will be how many? We know, guys, in machine learning, we normal salaries to zeros and one, and we apply G-score. Same in the images, we create a arrays and then it normalize, and then mean underscore values. The first tuple contains the mean values of each channel red, green, blue. So in this code, we have how many tuples we created? So here, 1, 2, and another tuples we have, I think, let me copy and I'll mention in our code to you, just so that there's nothing miss here. And one moment. So go this to here, encoding. So there's a, how many tuple? Red and green, the two things we normalize here and then post. Just go to the little documentations. In the documentation, so mean values, we considered mean values for that. And second value, the two tuples we pass. First tuple is defined mean of an array. The second tuple we pass for standard deviations of each channel, guys, 0.2, all those things. So I write this one. Please read them out. Detailed concepts is written here. No worries. Just follow it, the documentations. Promise it will be clear. Now what we do, just go and we create a prompt. Just one moment. See this, what happened? Dot size. I create an, what, guys, we have image dimensions we created or not? Dot size. So here, argumented. So in this one, this is what encoding text, create encoding, include, exclude, extra. Okay. But before, a little bit. So we understood this line, guys. What is this line? This one normalize, This is mean of an array. This is standard deviations of an array. This tuples. Next one. Encode text. Go back to the text box here. I mean, argumented transform. And here, there's a three things I assigned. We write few functions to receive the text, and a user write a text prompt or not. Please, the blue tree or the green horse, something like that. So when a user receive a text, the code accept, it will call clip model. Okay, when a user type any text internally, it take the text, it will call the clip model because it's a multi-mol model, and it will convert tokenize the text. It will convert it tokens, and user get result of token, then clone the result. It to text pass, and it call the clones architectures. That's what we called from clip. Whenever we create a prompt, user need to specify three things: include, exclude, extra. So that's what we define here. If you watch this, include, exclude, extras. So what is include, guys? I want to enter blue tree in the forest. Let's say I mentioned I enter blue tree in the forest, or elephants are dancing, like a text prompt. For example, I go to Google, and then let's try Mid Journey. OpenAI we have. Okay, one second, one moment. What we're doing right now, what kind of real applications we're going to build? Okay, documentations and quick start guide. Okay, see this. So the same things we're doing here, guys. After submitting a text prompt, so it will give you why that website is. One moment. I try to quick start. Just one moment. One moment, guys. Subscriptions plan. Mid-Journey, you can build this one. Free image generator. Okay, I will generate images. So I think the websites, they've been changed. Let's see. Elephant are dancing. Just execute and generate. Okay, wait. See this, guys. So these are text prompts or not? These text prompts are just close them up, and I think it will take some time. Just wait. Width 52 height. These are the front end applications. To be honest, we do in a back end as well. So this is takes more time, but it will take some time. Let's go back to the code now. So guys, once you're done, I hope you create this. Anybody done online team? You created this kind of encoding prompts and few more things. You got this type of, yes, Gaud, you got. Anyone else online team? Yes, sir, got that. Very good, Disha. Any offline team? You got this? Good now. So got it. Fantastic. Create crops. Now, what is meant by crops? Please try to understand. And wait, I want to show this images here. We get this. I think it's taking some time. Generate images. Okay, so I try elephants are dancing. Now here, let's go for this one. Generate images. Fine. Oops, my bad. So I'm going to create this type of applications. We're going to do it now. Just go and generate. Okay, just go to the code. So what is meant by crops? And do you know, I forgot to, I stop here. What is include, exclude, extra? Include means, just one second. Okay. So guys, once we done this, All right. So here, if you see this, okay. Now include means what? I enter a text prompt. What is exclude? From the text, I don't want green color. That's exclude. So it should exclude the green color or anything user want. What is extra? Some extra color need to be applied for space to create generated images. Okay. Next one. What is meant by crop? So why crops are, we need to create a crops when we encode the image with clip architectures. You no need to send only single image. You maybe plot many images with argumentations. Argumentations, data argumentations are we done? Rotations of image, translations, variations of the images, clip for various images, for better images, you can do this. So what you do this here, guys. So we try to crop images, and I hope you try to do little things as we just try to create a done this. Now show current state of generations. Now the moment once you show the parameters and we define a crops now, and here we show the crops in this code. So the moment when you show the crops with augmented cropped image and with the augmented cropped image, so there's a few things, and then we optimize. So every time we optimize a neural network, guys, and then we run the model. So the moment when you optimize, so here, three things we done. First, we optimize this code, then image encoding we done in this line, and text encoding we done here, and we calculate the loss functions, and then we optimize. So the moment when we do this, before we train, we optimize the model. We done ANN, RNN, CNN. We done optimize first, then we train the model. So let's done the optimizations, guys. Are you facing any issues for this? Now let's train a loop. So before we pass parameters optimizer show crop false. And here just we try to write a little loops, and if from prompts to include enc. This is all training the loops. Once you're training the loops here, just wait. Now you pass any text prompt here. Okay, I pass a text prompt like a okay, girls, okay, dancing in, okay, moonlight, I try. Okay, you done this. So empty cache include. What include? I text prompt. I write a text prompt. Girls are dancing in moonlight. Exclude watermark, extras, W1 noise factors, or maybe you can also change that butterfly, okay, in the, or maybe green garden, and green garden, any comment, any text. You guys getting my point? So the moment when you do, just go and check this out. What we do, we trained already here. We training loop with all the previous optimizers. Now noise factors, just wait sometimes. I think uh it's already, do you see all this down here? All the codes is execute now. And one moment. Anybody doing this, guys? Are you completed up to the steps online, guys? It takes some time. This set this to C. Results every 10 interactions beyond interactions 8. I think resolutions image training loop, we pass it. Just wait, just wait. Okay, augmented cropped examples. Do you see? Okay, now do you see this, guys? The first images we created for I mentioned this butterfly still. Okay, now see the images are generated, and every steps the loss is minus 0.3, iterations is 80, and augmented images. Do you see we created this wrap, constant, reflections? You done this practicals or not in data augmentations? Now finally we done this. See how these images are created. Now so how many text prompt we created here? Only one text prompt we created. And I said a blue tree in the forest, kids playing. Okay, now not kids playing, flowers are dancing, I can remove the two things like and basket ball playing in the okay in playground, or I said basketball playing in playgrounds. So, but the image created are not accurate. No, sir. See, that's called generated images. All right. So that's why it won't clear because you need to train. See, slowly, slowly, these things are learned. That's what people are depending on it. Clear? So generated AI means what? Generated images. So wait, I will wait. We get back to this. So if you see, that's what when you see Midjourney app, those images are not cleared. So you need to more configurations required. Okay, Ananya. So basketballs. Um, I think a blue tree in the forest I mentioned, and then okay, comma birds flying in moon. See, it's not about the clarity and all those things. It's all about how the systems are understand stable diffusion for image generations. You can do this for everything you do. What happen is you require a high configuration system. Okay, I add three parameters now, three text prompts. Just apply this. Okay, that's what these models are upgrading the versions. So that's when new libraries add on to it. One guys, are you create this or not? Wait. So how many things we done now? Okay. You can mention stable diffusion. You can also mention that. No worries. Okay. Done this, guys? Wait. All right, just wait. I think, see the same things. Include, exclude, extra. So how many prompts I created? First, what is the first prompt? A blue tree in the forest. Okay. See, we see green tree, but blue tree, uh, slow by slow, the images are trained because see, you train with 15 GB. I'm telling you, if you run this code three times, your memory is getting filled as well in Google Colab as well. Understand? If you run with more images, your training would be done. So that's what why we call APIs, because to not counter with this type of problems, we import API keys. Okay. So three things. I hope we assign this one. Okay. And in the garden, then hope it's going on. Let's take, we just use stable offline versions of image. No. See, in research paper, you write that's a research only. Research never be reality. Out of the 100,000 lakhs research, only one will be research will be success. You're getting my point? So practically in organizations, research never be applicable. Correct? Good. Many people, you can also write the book, guys. I can also write many books. Understand? Anyone can write the books, anyone be a author. Okay. So here, did you see what I said? The birds are flying in moon. Okay. See, but slowly, slowly. Okay. So I know these images would not be proper, but that's fine. We can at least still the model is running. And you can mention if you specific the bird now. Okay, I could say that the blue bird or red bird. See, very simple codes is detected the images. It's not about how the code, how the machines understand the human language. That's called generative AI, right? Right, guys. I want to copy this one, or maybe I post here as well, those things. Team, are you doing it? Anyone doing, guys? Is working or taking some time? It takes some time. You try. What are the prompts you mentioned here? Yeah, you want to be a Rajanikanth? Mention. Okay. No, I don't give you. I just done. I got it. Very good, guys. Okay, I think. Okay, now I mean, yeah, floods are dancing, right? I hope we got this now. Got it. Okay, now wait. We just also combine all these three things and we make a generative video as well. Just go back to this one. I hope we're done. Now the same things I remove watermarks and then just check this out, guys. Okay, I know let it be process going on. And see, guys, there's a few things. I hope that one reason, because if you don't work with me, because the errors we got, you can't fix it. That's the fact. So even though there's a waste of giving this code to you. So that's the reason once we done, okay, nice. So do you see a blue tree in the forest? Fantastic. Do you see this image has got clear? And wait. See, the same code I've been run 3 times because I just we create a text prompt. Yeah, but one problem is I share this notebook, take some time, make a proper documentations, and you post your practicals using help of the GANs and transformers. You created the text prompt to image generations and text prompt to video generations, guys. You can say that. So this is what I mean, this is what we write a Python code without call OPI, OpenAI API keys be done. You can done OpenAI, Google Gemini AI Studios, you can done, but you're gonna do that in upcoming classes next week. We have entire LangChain frameworks, we work that clear. So in LangChain also, I would appreciate we do workshops if you want. But those things is we create a streamlet and you can deploy those things as well. Just wait for some time. It take more time, guys. In CPU, it not works anyway. Okay, good. Okay. What is this? The kids are playing in the moon, on moon. Okay, good. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay. So what happened online team? Are you it's possible to deploy that? No. See, this is for deployment, you can call with API key, LangChain. We'll do this one. Yes, it is possible, but it is possible, but there's nothing is impossible. You can try this. Okay, Vinash. But while you retrain, it takes more time. So that's what. Oh, nice, man. Let me please save this code, everyone. Online team, are you hope you're done? Online team, how many of them completed, guys? I think Akila, you done or use I hope it's stop for your online team. You're stuck somewhere, how it's work. is completed. Very good. Done. Excellent. Done. So guys, I shared all the code done. I hope this is it would be helpful. If you experience, guys, please mention this on your resume portfolio, and this is one of the good practicals to showcase. Yeah, so every company had issues with deployment only. Every company had issues with the deployment only. All right. So that's what you try. If you deploy, that's fantastic. But we just write a backend and all those things. Good. I hope you understand. How many of them not done, guys? Can you please post once you completed? Please post a little bit videos in the classroom. Let's see. Okay, what text prompts you entered? Okay, wait. So how to create a video? So when I copy all the images, then video will be created or not? So let's do this here. I trying to copy all the images. Then I will see, guys, class is not complete. Wait, what happens? I what you guys are discussing? You came. Show me. Can you please upload? Don't apply that one. See this. Like we apply anybody. Wait, it takes some more time. I just want to show last part, and we try to combining here. I mean, fvideo.mp4 and image.io. So that's why we import image.io before and then closer. Just wait. So I think it will take some time. Okay, we done this now. Now, please save the code, guys, everyone, and it is safe for future facing issue. Please share this Genai code. Hassan, I already shared. You didn't check? Fantastic. So, okay, guys, the video is see. Let me. I download as well. You can listen to this now. And here, F11, and just scroll down. Let's play the video here. So the first thing is blue tree in the forest, and the bar is okay. See, after some time, it will change this graph. See this, the kids playing in the moon, playing on moon, and after some times you see this file as well. Okay, Plaza Dance. So how many prompts we done? We make only 3 text prompt. So that's why. And do you see when you check again, file save, 1 second. Let me save this one. And the first one, let's copy NVIDIA, and I'll scroll down and you apply here, just paste. Let's see. Out of 15 GB, we covered 10 GB, guys. Do you see this? Out of 15 GB, initial we start with what? 0. But now to this practicals, save failed, cancel. So we already done a 10 GB. So if you run 2 times, that's it. Your Google Colab also run out of memory. Understand? Your Google Colab also run out of memory. Clear? So I'll share all those things to you. So please work. This is um, good projects for your resumes as well. And I try my best to give them this code and work. So next week, next class is on Monday. We introduce LLM, line chains, OpenAI. We start understanding. All right, guys. Clear, everyone? Okay, good. I shared all this code. Okay, it's better. So is the way to clear memory used? Yes, Kiran, you can clear. Go to runtime and wait. No, clear all outputs. Okay. Clear all outputs and runtime, restart session. Kiran, can you try? Guys, everyone, if you flush out the memory, go to runtime and restart the session. Okay, thank you. Sure. File. Okay, that's it for today, guys. And thank you. And I think, did I post it here? Guys, do you see? Right now, we created, see, I prompt elephants are missing, no man, dancing. So when you say this, the image is created or not? The same things we write a code. This is the front end. I think, Avinash, this is the front end. Once we try to create this front end and we do this as well, guys. Let's see if possible I can do it and I can share the code as well. And if you know, just try this out, guys. So that means whatever mid journey created generator, do you see this? This is the backend and this is the front end code. And I hope we done this one. Just follow this app for like this, whatever the images we created right now. And that is the, go to here and 7:30 p.m. Genai task. Nice. Yamini, what is this? Wait, I will. Okay, anyone else, guys? Okay, you make a video as well. Yeah, it will change after some time. No, it will change. You have to wait for, because you pass only one prompt. That's why you have to define three prompts. Yame nuche shiva. Okay. Yendidi. Where is birds here? Maybe the spelling mistakes are there. Okay, good. Online team, anyone done? Please post. Let's see. You should mention this thing. So you can try some of the things as well. And I think you can download as well. Wait, did I closed? Cancel. And one moment. Oh, I got download options as well. Okay, so here, Gen AI, generative AI from below free text prompt to image and video generations. Here, okay, code's also given. This is my video. Let me post, which we done in the class. Okay. Okay, good, Harika. Let's see. Go, do you also try Blue Forest? I think, yeah, so Blue Tree. Anyone you can try with. You can try with kids as well. Good, guys. And let me post check. Video, do we download? Good. But see, but every time different prompts got different result, isn't it? This one. Basketballs. Okay. So here, there's a third one. Okay, nice. This is same prompt we got, right? Good one. Still processing. I think it'll take a few minutes. That's fine. Guys, that's it for them. I hope I shared all those things, and please work. And thank you so much. And Monday, Tuesday, next week, we go with Gemini and line chain. We discuss. We build good practicals as well, guys. Okay, let me code. Let me close them. Just offline team, you can please post your work so that, yeah, good guys. Thank you so much. Bye. You can mention your text prompt and then you post, or maybe you post your images as well, whatever you want. Okay. Happy weekends, everyone. So the next class is on Monday. Thank you. Bye. Akila, do one thing. Anyone face any issues, guys? Akila, unmute you. What issue got? And Avinash, I hope you're done, buddy. Anyone? Arun, did you try? Yeah. Asif, did you try? Majid, Shravya, Hassan, please try again. Okay, I will. Disha, I hope you're done, right? Disha, Dhanush, I hope you're done. Okay, thank you guys. And that's it. Yes, sir, I'm trying. Good. Done, sir. Thank you guys. See you on Monday. Bye. Bye, guys. Good night.